all of you. Today we have discussed about the management measures, rainwater harvestings. तो फर्स्ट अपन देखते रेन वाटर हार्वेस्टिंग एंड recharging. तो water conservations, water is an important resource without which no life can have life on our planet Earth. Thus, it is resources benefiting everyone on Earth living as well as non-living. Example: soil, machines, cooling system, process, industry. Water can be conserved or saved by using several methods, such as by applying engineering practice. First, modifying plumbing, changing water supply operating procedure, using water saving fixtures, monitoring personal uses, domestic uses, organizational uses by meter reading or fitting submeters, modifying flush tanks, then controlling leakage using automated sensors, conducting water audits, reducing water pressure by pressure reducing valves at source of water, using flow controls, water recycling, reusing and reducing. By changing water utilization habits, educating the workforce or family members, controlled use of water for baths. Then watershed management, rainwater harvesting. Watershed management to conserve the most important resources, many techniques are followed, few on small scale like domestic or village. One technique established to achieve effective conservation of water is watershed management. Then structural aspects of watershed. A watershed is formed by the basin, that is peaks of an area is made to descend into small valley. Peaks are connected by ridges. Rainwater falling on peaks are carried to soil, forms stream which joins rivers and which ultimately merge into sea. The following parameters govern effectiveness of watershed. First, shape. It depends upon morphology of land area where WSM is to be developed. Example may be pear shaped or elongated. Then slope, controlling factors of rainfall distribution and flow directions. Then physiography, altitude of land and physical aspects on the rock. Next, climate. It decides, governs the overall maintenance of project. Then drainage depends upon slope, flow of water and absorption of soil in the surrounding area. Then advantages of watershed approach: easy to manage, time saving, economic, achieves environmental friendly. Then components of watershed management: land, water, energy, etc. Then objectives of watershed management: first objectives, then conservation of rainwater and also storage water. Soil conservation, control soil erosions, increase in water holding capacity of land, growing plants, crops, trees, grasses. Amongst all these objectives, main focus is on water conservation, which can be useful for life. Then rainwater harvestings and rechargings. When rainfall is more in monsoon seasons, the situation of flood also is reached, and if less leads to drought, such situation can be controlled by rainwater harvestings. Rainwater harvestings is a method to collect, store and conserve run-off water from surface. Method for rainwater harvesting. Rainwater harvesting is done by following methods: capturing runoff from rooftops and local catchments, capturing seasonal floods, water from streams and watershed managements. तो ये जो वाटर कंजर्वेशन प्रोसेस है, वाटर कंजर्वेशन प्रोसेस से क्या होता है, वाटर कंजर्व होता है, मतलब वाटर जो है, वाटर क्या होगा, सेव होगा, वाटर क्या होगा, सेव होगा. देन स्टेजेस इन रेन वाटर हार्वेस्टिंग्स: लोकेटिंग कैचमेंट्स, inserting courses mesh to suspended, storing water. Then benefits or advantages of rainwater harvesting. First benefits can provide plenty of drinking water and also water from irrigations. Groundwater recharge is improved, helps to achieve forestry and horticultures. Then next topic we will take tomorrow.